Welcome everyone. Today we are going to solve the back exercise question of your NCERT textbook from the chapter Partnership Fundamentals. Here is the question. Tripathi and Chauhan are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The capitals were 60,000 and 40,000 as on 1st January 2005. During the year they earned a profit of rupees 30,000. According to the partnership deed, both the partners are entitled to the salary of 1,000 per month and 5% interest on their capital. They are also to be charged an interest of 5% on their drawings irrespective of the period, which is 12,000 for Tripathi and 8,000 for Chauhan. You need to prepare here partners' capital account when capitals are fixed. We will prepare P&L appropriation account first, and the pro forma is particular debit amount and particulars credit amount. Now you see that profit during the year rupees 30,000 is given. First, that profit should be written on the credit side of P&L account. After that, you see interest on capital, interest on drawings and salary is given, but we don't post all these items in P&L appropriation account because we assume that all this is a charge against profit. So directly divide this 30,000 rupees between the partners as their profit, and this is to be transferred to their current account since the partners' capital is fixed. So divide this 30,000 between the partners in the ratio of 3:2, 30,000 into 3/5 and 30,000 into 2/5, and do the total and close the columns. So this is your P&L appropriation account. Next we prepare partners capital account. The pro forma is particular Tripathi Chauhan, particulars Tripathi Chauhan, both for debit and credit side. So first we write here the balance brought down, the balance of capital which is given 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. Since the partner's capital is fixed, so we do not write any more entries in this partner's capital account. Directly you balance the account to balance carried down, same 60,000 and 40,000 respectively, and close this account by doing the total 60,000 and 40,000 rupees. Next we prepare partners current account. The pro forma is same as we prepared in partners capital account. So the balance of partners current account is not given. Directly we transfer here interest on capital which is given 5% for Tripathi and Chauhan. So after calculating, you see we are getting here 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. Then we write salary which is given 1,000 rupees per month. So we are preparing account as on yearly basis. So 1,000 into 12, we have to write here 12,000 for Tripathi and 12,000 for Chauhan. Then we got that P&L appropriation profit. That profit also we transfer here in current account 18,000 and 12,000. Then the next item is drawings which is given for Tripathi and Chauhan. That also you have to write, and then you have to calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 5% on their drawings. After calculating the interest, you have to balance current account. One more thing, the balance of current account can be debit or credit, but since here we are getting here the total of credit side more than the total of debit side, so the balance you have to write here to balance carried down, and finally you have to close the account. As you know that interest on capital, interest on drawings and salary are charged against profit in this question. So we have not written those items in P&L appropriation account, and directly we have written in partners current account. So this is the question. Thank you everyone.